Check out the video to see how to use TapAI. It's an efficiency tool that helps you gather schedule events and to-do items from different apps into your iPhone's built-in calendar and reminders using AI. It can also summarize web pages from your browser and add them to your iPhone notes. Plus, it helps you comment or reply to posts you see on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more, so you can engage more with your social networks. You can even reply to messages in instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, iMessage, and Telegram. TapAI supports a wide range of applications, so feel free to give it a try. It's super easy to use, just install it and double-tap the back of your phone to activate it. For instructions, you can check out the TapAI website. We use OpenAI's ChatGPT model to deliver top-notch service, and by opting for the premium membership, you can enjoy the best AI experience. We'd love for you to leave a comment below this video and chat with us.